Discover the simplicity of mastering the B-flat major scale. A perfect way for beginners to conquer this essential musical skill. On the treble clef, we start with B-flats below the first ledger line beneath the staff. The bass clef, start with the B-flats on the second line of the staff. The key signature of B-flat major features two flats, which are B-flats and E-flat. Now later on in the video we will discover how to work out the relative minor scale, so stay tuned for that one. The scale consists of 7 notes that follow a specific pattern. Practicing this scale is the key to understanding how major and minor scales go together to create different moods and sounds. The tonic triad of the B-flat major scale is formed using the notes B-flats, number 1, D, number 3, and F, number 5. Harmonizing the major scale involves creating chords that match the notes of the scale. This helps beginners learn how notes work together to create harmony. By practicing these chords, you can better understand how the major scale works and how different chords can be used to create songs and melodies in this key. We are excited to share a free musical guide with you. It covers the basics of music theory and will help you get started. To find the relative minor scale of any major scale, simply count backwards 3 steps from the last note. This will reveal the relative minor scale. Now, are you ready to take your musical skills to the next level? The circle of fifths is a must-know for any beginner. Let's explore it together, shall we?